It's January 26th and it's my 12th day of my 100-day challenge, and I'm sitting in my new apartment. I moved today, which was a really fast decision. And I think it was the right decision, even though I had goals I wanted to focus on and things I had to do. And I was kind of hard on myself for a little bit because I wasn't focused on that like I wanted to, but things just led that way today. I had a very emotional day. I had to deal with stuff with my family, and I'm pretty proud of myself that I was together spiritually and kind of dealt with it in a really good way. So yeah, I think sometimes that life pushes me in directions that are hard for me to accept, but if I wasn't doing this 100-day challenge, I wouldn't have dared to just go out there. And I think that I had to in order to accomplish the things that I want to accomplish without having anything hold me back. And this may be just the start of something better. So, hanging out with my friend Yaron today, which is kind of fun and inspiring and refreshing because I didn't have social interaction for a while. And hoping tomorrow is going to be a great day and the start of something great ahead. And I'll keep you posted. Tonight's tip is going to be dare. Dare to do the things that life pushes you towards, even if they're not the most comfortable. Um, there's a reason why they're happening, and I guess we're going to find out. Have a really good night.